Okay, it took a while, but we got all 9 screws in. Now what's next?
I think. Graphics card. Graphics card probably. Is this the graphics card right here?
Yeah.
Right. So I have to tell you that I'm a little nervous about waiting on this because it's such a heavy thing that if this were to slip, can't we just tilt this up, put the power supply in, and then lay it back down? Because it's such a heavy thing that
Yeah. Well, the only problem with that is all the cords, and it'd get in the way of everything else. That's the only thing.
Oh, okay, I got you. Okay. So you're saying that go ahead and install all the other cards, and then we'll put in the power supply. Okay.
Caution.
Oh, it's static sensitive. But you have your wrist strap on, so you're fine.
Yeah, don't touch that.
Plus, as long as you don't touch every single metal part ever, you should be fine.
And then 2 more fans just so we needed.
This, when you hear your computer making noise, Carnes, it's this.
Okay.
Because it's loud.
Yep.
Alright.
Okay. So don't you have to take off one of those, Clarence?
Which
Okay,
one?
Wait, let me see which one first.
Alright.
Make sure everything's off. So it'd be, yeah, just take off the top one right here.
Okay.
Okay, so we're creating a slot for it.
And you have more than one graphics card in here?
Wait, hold on. Not that